the light of all that is, in the light that has always been. We are a gallant tribe of wanderers who travel between what was and is in the eternal now. Our footfalls are sturdy yet light as a feather as we dance on through this mystic forever. On the magical wave of existence, we glide into your lives. Lightning crackles in our hair and starlight shines through our eyes. Through our hearts are as big as the hats on our heads, and our laughter is filled with mirth. Our talents are many, our gifts are treasures, and from truth our insights are birth. So you see, our tribe is very determined to share this message with you. Love and light are boundless. Wisdom is a choice. So shut your eyes, breathe the sea, and drink in the vast blue sky. As a silver moon anoints your head, angels rush to your side. And within the soft, sweet presence, all peace and freedom resides. Hear this. We all come from the light of all that is, the light that has always been. So you and me, let's come together and share our